Starbucks, the world's leading coffee chain. But have you ever asked how their coffee are processed to create that perfect cup? Today, we're going behind the scenes to show you how Starbucks coffee is made from bean to cup. The journey starts in some of the most fertile coffee-growing regions across the globe. Starbucks sources 800 million pounds of coffee beans each year from over 30 countries in the world's 3 key coffee-growing regions: Latin America, Africa, and Asia Pacific. This ensures that the company has a consistent supply of coffee and can offer a wide range of flavors to its customers. These beans are harvested by hand to select only the ripest ones. After harvesting, the beans are processed, dried, and shipped to one of Starbucks' roasting plants for the next stage in their journey. Once the beans arrive at a Starbucks roasting facility, they are still green and raw. It's the roasting process that transforms these beans into the rich, aromatic coffee we all know and love. Starbucks roasters use precision and experience to bring out the distinct flavors in each type of bean. The beans are roasted at different temperatures to create various flavor profiles from light and mild to dark and bold. The roasting process is not only about heat, it's an art. Roasters constantly adjust the time and temperature to highlight the best flavors. This ensures the consistent quality that Starbucks is known for worldwide. After roasting, the beans are cooled and then ground into the perfect consistency for brewing. Starbucks coffee is ground in different ways, depending on how it will be brewed, whether for espresso, drip coffee, or cold brew. Once ground, the coffee is packaged to preserve freshness. The factory uses airtight seals and special bags to ensure that the coffee you enjoy is as fresh as possible, no matter where in the world it's consumed. Quality control is essential in every step of the Starbucks coffee-making process. Each batch of roasted coffee undergoes rigorous tasting sessions, also known as cuppings. These expert tasters ensure that the coffee meets Starbucks' high standards before it ever reaches your cup. Whether it's a rich Pike Place roast or a seasonal blend, every sip of Starbucks coffee offers a consistently superior experience. Once the coffee is packaged and approved, it's distributed to thousands of Starbucks locations and retailers worldwide. Starbucks is also committed to sustainability in its distribution process, striving to reduce its carbon footprint by using energy-efficient transportation methods. To meet its global demand, the company purchases approximately 3% of the world's coffee supply, which makes it one of the largest coffee buyers globally. The ice cream cone is a standard in any ice cream store or stand. This tasty and crunchy treat is known as a way to cool down in the summer and makes an edible container for a cold snack. Ice cream cones have come a long way since their accidental invention in 1904 at the World's Fair. From basic wafers to intricate sugar cones, each one must be perfectly crispy, strong, and delicious. It all starts with a simple yet precise mixture. Flour, sugar, water, and a binding agent like soy lecithin are combined to create the perfect batter. Brown sugar is often added to give the cone extra sweetness and a richer flavor. The key to a great ice cream cone is consistency. The dough must maintain the perfect texture, so the mixture is cooled or heated to stay at exactly 17 degrees Celsius. A computerized system ensures that every batch is the same, regardless of outside temperature. Once the dough is mixed, it's poured into machines that shape the cones. A large hopper controls the amount of batter poured onto hot baking plates. These plates cook both sides at the same time, ensuring an even bake. After about 50 seconds, the wafer is cooked and ready for shaping. While still warm and flexible, they are quickly molded into the iconic cone shape. After the cones are shaped, they are cooled on conveyor belts to set their structure. This ensures they are strong enough to hold ice cream without breaking. Every cone must pass a quality check. They're tested for consistency and shape, thickness and durability to ensure they won't crumble under the weight of the ice cream. The journey of making doner kebab starts with fresh meat. Factories source high-quality lamb, beef, or chicken, depending on the type of kebab being made. Each batch is carefully inspected for freshness and quality before it's prepared for seasoning. Once the meat is selected, it's trimmed and portioned to remove excess fat and prepare it for seasoning. This ensures that every piece of kebab is lean yet flavorful. The next crucial step is seasoning. Kebabs get their rich signature flavors from a blend of spices and herbs. Factories use large industrial mixers to evenly coat the meat with a mix of ingredients like garlic, onion, cumin, coriander, and paprika. This process not only adds flavor, but also helps tenderize the meat. Tumblers ensure that the spices are evenly distributed, so every bite is packed with that signature kebab taste. Once the meat is seasoned, it's time to skewer it. In small batches, workers manually skewer the meat, carefully layering each piece. For larger production runs, machines take over skewering thousands of kebabs per hour. Automation plays a key role in maintaining consistency. Each kebab is packed tightly, ensuring it cooks evenly and holds its shape during grilling. Next, the skewered kebabs head to massive grills or ovens. Depending on the type of kebab, they may be slow-cooked over open flames or roasted in industrial ovens to lock in that smoky, juicy flavor. This step is crucial for giving kebabs their iconic charred edges and tender, juicy center. Factory grills are designed to cook hundreds of skewers at once, while ensuring each one gets that perfect sear. The journey of canned peaches begins in the orchard, where peaches are carefully hand-picked at the peak of ripeness. The timing is crucial to ensure that only the sweetest, juiciest peaches make their way into the canning process. Once harvested, the peaches are immediately transported to the factory to maintain freshness and prevent spoilage. Upon arrival at the factory, the peaches are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or pesticides. The cleaning process involves a series of water jets and soft brushes, ensuring that every peach is spotless. After cleaning, the peaches are sorted by size and quality. Only the best peaches free from bruises or blemishes continue on to the canning process. Next, the peaches are peeled. In most factories, this is done using a combination of hot water or steam, which loosens the skin for easy removal without damaging the fruit. Once peeled, the peaches are pitted. After pitting, the peaches are sliced or halved. The pieces are carefully measured to ensure uniformity in each can. Meanwhile, a sweet syrup made from sugar and water is prepared. This syrup helps preserve the peaches and enhances their natural sweetness during storage. Now it's time to fill the cans. The peach slices are placed into the cans and the syrup is poured in until each can is filled to the perfect level. The cans are then sealed tightly, with lids ensuring that no air can enter and spoil the peaches. To make sure the peaches are safe to eat for months or even years, the sealed cans are heated in large pressure cookers. This process, called sterilization, kills any bacteria or microorganisms that could cause spoilage. The cans are heated to a precise temperature and pressure for a set amount of time, preserving the peaches without the need for any artificial preservatives. After sterilization, the cans are cooled down and sent to the labeling area. Each can is carefully labeled with information about the product, such as its weight and the type of syrup used. Finally, the labeled cans are packed into boxes and prepared for distribution. These cans will soon be on their way to grocery stores, ready for customers to enjoy.